Hi, this is Amir, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send console output to the file in Ruby. So for example, I have this file. Let me clear this. And for that we have three global variable. One is standard output, and one is standard input, and one is standard error. With playing around with these, we can change the output of which is for which the output sent to console. We will change that, and the Ruby will send the output to this file. So let's start this. So first of all, we will fetch some record. So file.open and io.txt, and we will open it with write permission. So and now we will save the global variable of STDOUT in some variable so that we can roll back to our initial state. So for example, all STDOUT equals STDOUT. So this is the built-in global variable which Ruby provide us, and after that we will assign our record to this global variable. So now this record is sent to this. By default, the STDOUT will send the output to this console, but we are changing it here now so that we can send our output to this file. So after that, we will assign our built-in global variable STDERR, STDOUT. So we are assigning the STDOUT global variable to this built-in STDERR. And now let's do puts hello world from console, not console. Okay. So when we use put, it send the output to this console by default. But here we are changing the mode of STDOUT and standard error so that we can send our output to this file. Now if you run this, you can see the change. Ruby, here you can see we have got nothing on our console, so our output will be stored here, hello world. So that's the method of sending your output to this file using put method. And now let's say this is very useful if you have thousands of line of code or hundred of line of code, and you want to maintain the output of your code into one text file. So this is useful in that case. So now if we got some error, let's say we divide something by 0 and we again use after error. Okay, so when we run this program, on this line we will get some exception, we will get some error. So after getting the error, this line will not be executed. Similarly, it will happen here also. So for example, if we run this, now there is no output on console, and here you can see hello world, and this is the error. So that is very good, because everything which should be output on console, now it is sending to that text file, and this line is avoided. So if we want to roll back again, let's say This is my next line, and let's run this, check our output. So these are maintained here. And now if you want to roll back to our initial stage, so for that we will reassign our old std out to that variable. Now after this is after reassigning. Now it will work by default method, you can see here. So after this line the output is generated on console, and before that the output was sending to io.txt. So that's a simple method of sending your output to text file